Social media marketers, if you're struggling to provide results or sell business owners on social media, it's probably because nobody showed you what's on the other side of this sheet of paper. And no, I'm not gonna make you put in your email or attend a training just to see what's on the other side of this piece of paper, because I believe in providing value first. On the other side of the sheet of paper is the exact system I use to generate my clients' customers on demand. The best part, once you set it up, there's very little maintenance needed. You just collect your check every single month. All right, enough's enough. Let me show you the exact system. Businesses pay me between $2,000 to $5,000 a month to set up for them. Here it is. As you can see, there's only 3 simple steps. We run Facebook ads, we collect leads via Facebook's lead gen system, and we send that new customer to the business. Heck, maybe you've even seen this before. So let me show you a real life example of how I brought one of my gym clients from 56 members to over 250 in just a matter of 6 months. All right guys, so this is a real life example of what the system looks like for one of my gym clients that pays me $2,500 a month to set this up for them. First off, they have a Facebook ad. People see this Facebook ad on Facebook, they click the apply now button, and the offer is a free 7-day pass to the gym. So what happens next is they go to a form like this that's all within Facebook. You don't need any outside software for this. That they click this button and their information is automatically put in because Facebook already has your info, and all they have to do is press submit to reserve their free 7-day pass or whatever the offer is that you decide. And then the next thing, they get sent to a thank you page that looks like this that tells them basically what to do next. And at the same time, the gym or whatever business you're working with is going to get a text message like this that tells them to call this customer and book them in for an appointment or their session. And just to show you guys like how good this actually works, this is me getting leads for $4.15. So each new customer I'm bringing them costs $4.15. And just even once more, show the proof behind this. This is one of my clients that pay me $4,916 this month, basically $5,000 this month. So if you'd like me to show you how I set up and sell a system like this for $5,000 a month to businesses, stay tuned for the end of this video and I'll show you how you can learn it. So what's the benefit of a system like this? It's not only less time consuming than the services you're doing, it's also the easiest sell in the world. I mean, what could be easier to sell than a business than more customers? So at this point, I'm assuming you might still have some questions. So if you'd like me to show you how I set up and sell a system like this to businesses, click visit advertise in the top right if you're on mobile or the bottom left if you're on desktop. In the training, we'll go over 1, my straight up stupid strategy to obtain your first high paying client, no sales experience necessary. 2, how to deliver mind-blowing results to your clients so they want to stay for life. And then 3, step-by-step, how to scale your agency. And to make it even better, in the training, I'm gonna give you a couple bonuses if you sign up right now. Bonus number 1 will be 8 sample Facebook ad copies and campaigns that you can use for your clients. Bonus number 2 will be my exact client acquisition script that works even if you have 0 sales experience. And bonus number 3, I'm gonna give you all of the training slides if you watch it all the way through. And of course, yes, I will offer something paid at the end, but you don't need what I'm gonna offer you. I'm still gonna give you everything you need in this training to get started with this business, get your first client, and scale with my Facebook ad strategies. If you're on YouTube, click the screen and there'll be a button in the top right if you're on mobile or the bottom left on your desktop that says Visit Advertiser. And once you get to that page, all you have to fill out is your name, email, and your preferred time, and you'll be registered for the training. Looking forward to meeting you and helping you change your life. If you made it this far, don't waste this opportunity. This won't be available forever.